Alright, hello friends. Welcome to another week of Lazy Girl Baking. Today we are doing our take on the cinnamon roll Christmas tree because I've tried this. I have tried taking cinnamon rolls and unrolling them and then creating a tree, and it is extremely hard. It takes some skill. Like, whoever is doing these videos, they've practiced, okay? So anyway, I went out and I bought a waffle iron that looks like a Christmas tree, and we're gonna see if it's the same vibes, the same setup. I've got also some food coloring to make the frosting green, and even some fun little sprinkles. So I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna be great, and yeah. You already had your baba. You already had a bottle. Do you want a squeeze pouch? Now look, you didn't eat your breakfast though. You didn't eat your breakfast at all. Yeah, you don't care? Another fun fact, I think, doing it this way, I think it's also a lot quicker. I think that they cook quicker than they would if you did them in the oven. So, also fun for kiddos, if you've got kiddos that can handle a waffle iron. Ugh. This was $10 at Target, so not totally crazy. And it's super pretty. The only bad thing about buying all these, you have to store them all. I don't know what I'm gonna do for it. Let's see, got your Christmas trees, and then inside, Christmas tree. It's gonna be so cute. Okay. What are you doing, kiddo? Yeah, those are where your bottles are stored. Yeah. It's crazy. They're all up there. Okay, put this in. Mom's making some breakfast. It's gonna be cool.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.